discussing Physics 2020 Section C paper. This Section C. And then we are talking about the question C1. This question was under velocity time graph. So, what we should understand about velocity time graph is that we're talking about the changes that are occurring in the velocity and the changes that are occurring in time. So basically, what is happening is that when the motorcycle begins from here, this is O, this is P, this is Q, this is R. So when it is originating from here, it goes up until it reaches this particular point, and then it moves at a constant speed until it retardates in the last 12 seconds, which is here. Now, what happens is that we are told to describe the motion of the what? The motorcycle that is between O and P. O and P. Meaning, there is a change in velocity and there is a change in time. Meaning, when the vehicle is moving in this direction, this is a direction for acceleration. Acceleration. Are we okay? So, a paper the acceleration. Acceleration. So, when we are describing O and P, we shall say the motor vehicle moved with a speed, okay? Moved with a change of speed from 0 to what? To 40 meters per second. Are we understanding? Yes. So we are saying it moved from rest at a certain speed to a speed of how much? 40 meters per second. Meaning that it accelerated. Are we okay? So answer there we're going to say A part 1, moving between O and P, we're saying accelerated from rest. Did what? Yes, accelerated from rest to a speed of 40 meters per second. That is our good answer. Yes.
So we can't include the speed of 40 meters per second in 3 seconds.
Yeah, you can actually include how much time was consumed in 3 seconds. Yes, that's a complete explanation. So you say it moved from 0 to 40 meters per second in 3 seconds. So this is called acceleration. Then we advance to question part 2, which is P and Q. Who can help us to describe P and Q? What is the movement here? We are describing the motion there. Yes? Anybody? Anybody? Yes, ma'am?
Constant speed.
Constant speed, eh? Yes, it moved with a constant speed from this particular point to this point, eh? In how much time? 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3? 4. So, after meaning 4 seconds there to the point. So you say the motorcycle moved with a constant speed in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Yes. Which is 40 meters per second, right? So we are saying A part 2, which is between P and Q. P and Q. We're saying moved with a constant. Moved with a constant what? Constant speed. Constant speed. This constant speed, which is 40 meters per second in 4 seconds. If you have explained, you get another mark. Yes? Are you following?
Yes.
Then we progress to question part 3. I said you should be listening, more listening than writing. When you listen more, you understand better. So then we are saying Q and R. Q and R. Q and R, meaning this time it's retardating. Retardating. So retardation. What is the other name for retardation? Deceleration. Right? So deceleration, then we also have retardation. So now, in retardation, we are basically saying the motor vehicle started going down, meaning it's retardating. So you say retardated In the last 7 minus 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, 5. So you say in the last 5 seconds, the vehicle retarded, which is the motor cycle. So we are saying moved from 40 meters per second to 0 meters per second in the last 5 seconds. You understand? Okay, so let us create some space. So we can still create space from here. 5 seconds. Where did we get the 5 seconds? When we subtracted this minus this. Okay? Are we understanding? Okay, that's better. Okay, so that's our A. A, we are saying P and Q. How do we describe? Okay, the first one was O and P. O, P. So OP, we are saying it's accelerating. PQ, moving with constant speed. QR, retardating to rest. That's the first question. A. Question B. What is the maximum speed of the motorcycle? We continue. We are saying, what is the maximum speed of the motorcycle? Maximum speed here, which is 40 meters per second. So for the answer, 40 meters per second. Why, Mona? Yes, 40 what? Meters per second. And then how long did it take for a motorcycle to return to rest? So how long did it take? Up to there. So for it to return to rest, meaning they're just asking about the maximum time that was taken, eh? So you can just put 12 meters per second, not 5. To rest. Yes, it started from here and there until it returned to rest. How long did it take? 12. So you put 12 seconds as your answer. Those are my 1 marks. 1 mark each. Then calculate the total distance. Now for this one, we need to create space so that we solve properly. Yeah? They're saying calculate the total distance traveled. So what shape is this? A trapezium. A trapezium. A, B. That was B. About to get to a passion. B as passion. It was 40 meters per second. Then C as passion. 12 seconds. Now we are on D, which is saying total distance. Total distance. And total distance, we're saying this one is a trapezium. A trapezium. So trapezium. Trapezium has got what you need to know. Is that okay? It looks something like this. Yes, it has got A, it has got B, it has got H. Yes. So we are going to assume that this part is our A. Are we okay? So our A is from here to here, which is 4. Yes. So our A is 4. And then we are going to have our P, which is running from here to here. Not to get 14. So we are saying the distance is from here to here. So this is our B. Our B is how much? Our B is 12. Are we together? Then our height is from here to here, the longer distance, this one, which is about 40. Yes, 40, fine. So we are saying the formula goes like area A over B, A plus B, H. We know this formula, right? Yes. So that upper A is a fuck bwanji. A 4, B 12, H 40. Are we understanding? Yes. Okay. So from there we can add what is in the bracket side. 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. 40 this side. So what is our final answer if you're using a calculator? You can just say this into that. We are saying 20. 20 times 16. 20 times 16? 320. That is it. Meters. Just meters. Because we are calculating the distance, right? Okay, just meters. Correct. 320. Have you understood? Okay, so what have we done? We have just used the formula for trapezium to find the distance for the whole journey. Because it starts from here, goes there, goes there, goes there. So this is our A and this is our B. So meaning this portion has been included in this particular distance. Each one of maths paper 1, here last. Okay? And then we progress to question E. What is question E saying? Question E. Again? Average what? Average velocity. So question E, average velocity. Is that okay? Total distance over total what? So basically here what we're saying is average speed equals to total distance is how much? 320. Then what is the total time? 12, right? Yes, 12. So you divide 320 divided by 12, how much are we getting?
26.67.
So average speed, average velocity goes to 26.67 meters per second. 26.67 meters per second. That is our average velocity. So you have to find the total distance, that which you have found. Then the total time has been given to be 12. You divide, you get the answer in meters per second. And that's our final answer. Nishwale 10 marks for free. Is that okay? Thank you.